welcome back. So as we've been on this cocktail journey, we've been doing a whole bunch of research, and tell you, the production staff found this one. This is called the Revolver. It is a simple cocktail, because that's what we like to do. Simple cocktails with great ingredients make great cocktails. There's no need to over-labor things and just make them nuts. Okay, so this one is a twist on a Manhattan. And this one hasn't been around too long. What I'm read is it dates to about year 2000 or so, so 20 years or so. It's a whiskey-forward drink, so I pulled out a really good whiskey. This is Weller Special Reserve. Weller is from Buffalo Trace. It is crazy hard to get a hold of. It is really top quality stuff, and this is the entry level, the green label. The rest of it just gets better from there. We're gonna use a coffee liqueur. This is Sabrosa. You could also use that other one, Kahlua. This one is about half the price. This bottle is under $10 a bottle, so it's great. And then lastly, we're gonna use orange bitters, and this is Regan's Bitters, orange bitters, and this is made by the Sazerac company, which makes Buffalo Trace, Weller, Pappy Van Winkle, and all that kind of stuff. So, here we go. So we're gonna start off with 2 ounces of a bourbon. No, it doesn't have to be Weller. Use whatever you can find. Now also notice on this cocktail here, this is a full measure. So this is 2.5 ounces of booze. It doesn't look like it's very full, but that's a pretty good sized cocktail there. So the coffee liqueur, we're going to use 1/2 ounce, so just a taste of it. Okay, and then 2 dashes of the orange bitters. 1, 2. That's the cocktail right there. That's pretty simple. We're gonna give this a stir. And pour into our cocktail. This is the this is a Whiskey Coupe glass, not a Nick and Nora. All right, so once again, we made that same amount. This time I'm gonna show you how to make a garnish. This is also made by Whiskey. I'm not sponsored by them, but they just make good stuff and I recommend them. This is called a channel knife. And it's really cool. You take an orange, and when you buy oranges, stuff like that from the store, and you're gonna make a garnish out of it, take the time and just rinse it off. Get all the stuff off of it. Literally, you just take it up here at the top and just peel it straight down, and you get a nice little concentric thing right there. Now, I think garnishes are a pain in the ass, so I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to grab the cocktail and say, cheers, folks. Enjoy. Stay safe. Yeah, you could get into a lot of trouble with that. That's a tasty cocktail. You could drink that by the gallon.